Hello, this is John with Anthem Business Solutions, and today we're going to go over how to use seat handling. So seat handling is good because it helps you provide better service. Instead of going to the table and auctioning off food, say who had the cheeseburger, who had the steak, who had the chicken. If you use seat handling, the ticket will tell you what food item goes to what seat. So to ring it up that way, we're going to open a table here. So we're going to select our first item. We're just going to use drinks for now. If we choose a Coke, then this number right here indicates what seat number it is, and it defaults to 1. You also notice here it says seat 1. And as long as you're on seat 1, anything that you ring up is going to be under seat 1. Even if we choose this here, it's all going to be under seat 1. If I want to go to seat 2, I just press this button over here, and it'll go to seat 2. So now I can go back to beverages and bring up a Dr. Pepper. That'll be seat 2. And then if I want to go to seat 3, I press it again. Pepsi, seat 4, Sprite. Now, if I keep hitting this button, it's going to keep going up to the next number. Now, if I want to go back to, say, seat 2, then I press and hold on it with my finger, and it brings up the track wheel, and I can go back to 2. Now when I go to 2, then I can add another dinner, and then we'll go back to seat. We'll go to seat 5 because we already did 4, so now we're going to go back to seat 3. Up, burrito and a taco for seat 3. And we're going to do seat 4. Do 3 tacos for seat 4. Alright, so now these will all be sorted by seat, and it'll show up on your ticket that way. Now if you need to modify something and say, you know what, this taco here was supposed to be on seat 4, seat 3 only wanted a burrito, then you can select that taco, and you can also choose this seat option here, and change it to seat 4. It'll put that back on seat 4. Okay, and then this one is ready to send. So that's all there is to it. I hope this video is helpful. Thanks for watching. Want to stay up to date on the latest tips and tricks? Don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon.